My beautiful and amazing people, hey hey, e don shele o. Matter wey we dey think say na joke, na play, omo, no be joke at all o. Let it be known and let it be on record that Snatchers Association of the World cannot take half of what they dish out to the other woman wey dem collect the man from. Because na dis Two-Face and Natasha matter na im come open our eyes to so many things. Say Annie really tried oo. She try, she package Two-Face. She hide so many things wey be say anytime wey she come out with Two-Face dat time, you go dey hear people go dey shout, God when? God, you wey do am for Annie, abeg do am for me now. God of Annie and Two-Face, abeg locate me now. Omo, see cool calm husband and wife now. See love now. Na you go just dey hear. Whereas deep down, lot of things dey happen. And maybe na dat see cute beautiful couple now. See as they look like early morning bread. Maybe na all those things put together wey Natasha see dat time na im make her she no allow Two-Face rest. She just dey do like, I must get dis man by all means. I must not leave dis man unless he bless me with im third leg. Unless we do basmati style in the other room. Omo, na wetin carry Natasha come put for inside dis one. She bin no know what's up. Wey make her still dey talk am till today till tomorrow say, you as a person, make you dey careful with wetin you dey pray for, wetin you dey wish for. E get why o. My people, una know say on the 5th of April 2026, AY did a live show in Abuja where he invite dignitaries, invite im fellow comedians, invited musician, invited so many artists, so many people like dignitaries, the odogus dem for inside entertainment industry. He invited lots of people and they all came out for AY because you know say him too dey come out and no be today, him na legend in his own end. Now, according to the information, allegedly, Two-Face was live in AY life. He came alongside with a peace of mind in one and only and in everything. The only woman wey dey give am joy morning, afternoon and evening. The only woman wey sabi do, come sabi cook, come dey give am peace of mind, come dey follow am dey do bodyguard here and there. So e no just fit do without her, so also she no fit do without am. Any second wey dem no dey together, something is missing. Na so she take follow am come AY live show. As they come, based on legend wey Two-Face be, na im people start dey do welcome sir, Two-Face, Two-Face, I'm happy to see you. Know na as usual. Based on celebrities, una know as e dey always be. Normally, if no be say na Abuja wey dem come sef, if na some states, they no go even allow am breathe because you know say Abuja, omo, they dey get composure in a way. So e still get limit to how many how are you wey dey bring fine. So na where they dey still dey do the how are you, the little one wey dey do am how are you and fine, wey im dey respond to. Na dem say one lady dey there. According to the information o, based on people wey dey there, una know say we no dey there. Now they say one lady come dey there wey come call Two-Face, legend, I'm seeing you for the very first time. I've been seeing you on screen. He talk a lot. Na Two-Face go shake am. Omo, na there they say the gbasgbos start o, according to the information. Say before you know, when he go to shake, na Natasha start. Why would Two-Face go and start shaking a lady, a random lady he knows, he does not know? No, that man na everybody, na celebrities they know. Na they go know you as a celebrity, but you as a celebrity will not know everybody. Dat one dey for sure. So you wey come marry Two-Face now, you no know talk say na celebrity na im be, wey make some pipu dey hardly comot with their wife like dat because a lot, or if you ready to comot, make you ready to dey see a lot. Na so Annie too dey see am dat year, and she compose, she respect herself. She no allow the whole thing get to her head. But how come for Natasha own end, she no fit come respect herself? If you know talk say she get insecurity issues, she sabi jollogs well well, say she no wan use eye see say her husband man even turn look woman for the second time, she for no dey follow the man comot come gathering like dis, making the man uncomfortable as if there is another thing attached. For the same man wey don tell you on several occasion say I like woman, I dey straightforward oo, no be wetin Two-Face use im mouth talk be dat. E say e like woman and im come still dey straightforward, e go tell you as e take be. Say im third leg no dey sit down for one place. E even still talk am again that he is polygamous in nature. Na im be the proper description of men are polygamous in nature. Still you no gree. You say na dat woman property na you still want. You come for am. Now you come want make im come change overnight. You no know say Two-Face don enter 50 years, say im go need to dey do well so dat make e no come enter old age, e no enjoy im life. Why you come make am look as if na only your own na im dey go come dey chop till old age, whereas im don dey chop im thing dey come, and Annie understand, dey dey drag am dey come. E reach your own turn, only you wan acquire am, wan achieve am. You no even want make dem shake hand, not to come talk of look me, I look you. God abeg oo. Na dis matter wey dey dey drag dey go, before you know, she say she dey provocate. Why would he come and be shaking a woman for where she dey? Say im no get respect for her, knowing fully well that she is around. They should have limit to how im dey take dey laugh, how e dey take dey do things, how e take dey interact with people, and so on and so forth. Before you know, na dey say Natasha dash Two-Face wetin no good. E land am for im face. Still Two-Face swallow am based on say e no wan spoil im mood. E need to just do wetin carry am come because AY na im padi from day one. E no wan provocate AY. Na so dey say everybody open mouth down dey look according to the information. People wey dem dey around there, na so dem open their mouth, both im PA, im boys dem wey dem follow am go there, dem open mouth down. At the end of the day, e enter there, e perform based on say e dey part of the artist wey go perform. E finish perform, dey say last make the drama no continue, Two-Face enter Uber go back house, leaving Natasha with the motor wey dem carry come and the guards make dem carry her, while him e go im own. Natasha too go her own. Now we come dey hear now say immediately Natasha reach house, according to the information but me myself, I no wan believe this information 100%. This particular one wey dem talk say Natasha immediately she reach house, she pack her bag and her baggages, say she dey go back to her mama house, say she is tired of all this kind thing wey Two-Face dey do to her. E dey always dey disgrace her. That if im no dey see himself in the highest level, say she be honourable, representing the people of Agor. Say what will now be her fate if im dey disgrace her like this? Im no know say people go come dey mock her, people go come dey talk down on her, people go come dey look down on her after everything. This, that. She is tired. Anyhow that Two-Face want to live his life, he should live his life. Two-Face come on the other end too, say im don tire with the kind of life wey im dey like this. So every now and then, from one drama or the other, from one dragging or the other, do me, I do you this, do you that, do you this. Yeah, I'm not comfortable with this. You are doing me this, you are hurting me this. Now he just dey fly up and down. Say him, he's tired. Now they say Natasha pack, say she dey go back to her mama house. Me, I say, nah, no believe. Say Natasha I fit believe every other thing o. But you see this one wey dey say Natasha pack im bag so dey go im mama house, I no believe am. You know why I no believe? Because desperado like Natasha might not want to ever leave Two-Face till kpai do them apart. Una know say Annie decide to let go, not because she's scared or because she doesn't have the power to, but because she felt she's no longer needed. The love wey she get to offer, e don expire for the man eye, because na for rehab she dey when im leave her go come dey flaunt Natasha. Na for rehab she dey when im come make am public say im dey marry Natasha. So which automatically means that I am not welcome, I am not loved. So let me not force it. Let me not make it look as if there is another thing attached. Make I no come kpai put, make I just let go. Make him fulfill wetin him come this life come do. Make I no come be a hinditious hindrance to him. That's why she let go. But when I see this Natasha, now she go teach Two-Face lesson, because I no see am like person wey ready to leave the Two-Face. If you see person wey ready, wey don tire, wey wan comot, you go know. No be everything na dey quarrel put. No be everything dey gbas put. No be everything dey gather come dey do it's okay put. E get some kind things wey go happen. You go just dey on a low. If you just come back, na to just pack your things, find place dey. No need to dey wah, dey call people here and there. So Natasha is one of those people. They never ready. I never see her like say they are ready to let go of each other. So Natasha, I no believe, because her own level of desperation is 1001% accurate. We kpai here, nobody is going anywhere. Now that kind of vibes, now I dey see for this their togetherness. Even when Two-Face, no be today, now in the talk say he don't tire. So many things they go wrong. He no longer get access to his children. No relationship there again, unless him and Natasha, according to the information. Still, he's tired. He cannot go. Where you won't go? You won't go leave her for who? According to Doris Ogala, say Pastor Chris won't go leave her for who? You won't go leave Natasha for who? For the people of Agor? No, now. She's only a representative representing the people of Agor in case rise come, make it feel reach them. No be say you go leave her for, leave the Natasha for them. It no work. Oga, una must continue wetin una start o. Nobody goes anywhere o. Yakubu, you go manage o. Two-Face, abeg, manage. You go feel her like say you go kpai, but you no go kpai o. Is that clear? Natasha, if na true this information, say you pack your bag, say you are tired, make Two-Face carry him third leg, do whatever way you wan do. Madam, you go come back o. You go come back finish wetin you start o, because no be wetin una plan be this. The plan be say na to dey together and forever. Till kpai do una apart. So you must not go anywhere. Is that clear? You must take it. You must feel it. Abeg, abeg. Nobody wey you go leave am for, and nobody wey him go leave you for. Make una dey o, because I no understand. This one na Romeo and Juliet. You no suppose get comma. Even the Titans, they enter water finish, they still come out. Jonah swallow fish. I mean, a fish swallow Jonah. They must be swallow. Make una dey o. Make una enjoy the moment. Na peace of mind. No be peace of mind. No dey get as e be. So last, no be small matter o. According to wetin we dey hear, say she say she no do again. Na make we dey give this advice so. Say abeg, make una beg Natasha and Two-Face. Say abeg, make dem do o. Say because they no get who they wan leave theirself for. Na perfect match made in heaven. You no suppose get as e be. Make una manage una self. Abeg, make una buy anointing, dey top am. If go no go, una carry red oil. Dey touch am once in a while for the head go calm down. Abeg, I no wan hear story for this marriage. Abeg una, in the name of God. Abeg, Two-Face, you no need bodyguard. Natasha is capable. If you wan do anyhow, e go correction you. Your brain go dey alright. Na wetin you need be that. So abeg, I no wan hear this story. I no wan believe the story at all. My people, na the matter be this o. Now I say make I tear race, come drop am for una as e dey hot, so that una no go dey left out, because the journey e just dey get started. Karma came very early, and this one e no knock hand for door, e carry leg open the door kpawai. Na here wey we still dey try to settle this matter like this o. Now I say make I come drop am for una, so that we go dey settle am for the comment section. Make una do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.